Ideal replacement. This third brake light assembly was specifically designed to look and function like the original light on specific vehicles. Quality construction, made from quality materials for excellent visibility and illumination. Trustworthy design, backed by team of engineers and specialists in the United States. Thoroughly tested, this part has undergone extensive testing to help ensure a secure fit and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Need a new third brake light assembly that looks, fits and performs like the original, without the hassle of going back to the dealership? This replacement was reverse engineered to match the stock center high mount stop light on specific vehicles. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Don't go to a shop, they'll charge $500 to install. The trouble installing has nothing to do with the light itself, but on these cars you have to rip apart the whole back interior, even the seats. Surprised I didn't have to rip up the carpet to get to it. It can be done by yourself, which I highly recommend watching a YouTube video before doing it. Do not go to a shop, they will charge you $500 to install one damn light.